Welcome back to the Chevette Collector Garage. Working on the 3.4 Chevette. The engine mounts are right where they're going to be at. They're not going to be welded. They're going to be riv nutted. I got some riv nuts. Where they at? Got some riv nuts. I'm going to riv nut them. This way they can come out. Air-conditioned Chevette radiator. What else do we have? Have all the gaskets laid out. Exhaust manifolds are going to get sandblasted, then repainted. Got the distributor right there with vacuum advance. The motor mounts came out pretty good. Just have to paint them. Oil filter adapter. We have the Edelbrock intake with a Holley 390. We have Turbo 200. Where's that? She's still under the car. Turbo 200 transmission mount. It's going to go in there. '88 Fiero timing cover. '82 Camaro Turbo 200. '93 Camaro 3.4. And 93 or 92 S10 4x4 oil pan. Everything's going to get all cleaned up and made pretty. Got some Edelbrock valve covers for it. Some real nice Edelbrock chrome valve covers to match the intake manifold. And we're going to paint it. Where's it at? Chevy orange. So there you go. Good. There's an update. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. See you soon.